Goal! The crowd erupts. 80,000 people on their feet. And if you don't know the words, you're missing everything. Welcome to Ayesha's English Oasis, aka AEO. I'm Ayesha, and today we're stepping onto the pitch because the FIFA World Cup is here. Football fever is global, and there has never been a better moment to learn English through the beautiful game. By the end of this video, you'll understand match commentary, sound like a fan, and have some powerful English idioms you can use every single day, not just on match day. Kickoff is right now. Let's go. First, let's cover the vocabulary you'll hear in every single match. These are your foundations. The pitch. This is what British English calls the football field. Not a field, not a court, a pitch. For example, the ball is rolling across the pitch. Kick-off. The moment the game begins. You'll also hear it used in everyday English. For example, the meeting kicks off at 9. The referee. The official in charge of the match. Fans often shorten it to the ref. And yes, fans argue with the ref constantly. Stoppage time, also called injury time. This is extra minutes added at the end of each half to make up for time lost to injuries or substitutions. Matches are never exactly 45 minutes. A substitute. A player who comes on to replace another. The verb is to come on. For instance, he came on as a substitute in the 70th minute. A foul. An illegal move against another player. Committing a foul can earn a yellow or red card. A penalty. A free shot at goal from the penalty spot, awarded when a foul happens inside the box. This is high drama every time. Okay, quick check. Pause the video and try to say each of these terms out loud. Pitch, kick-off, referee, stoppage time, substitute, foul, penalty. Now it's your turn. Pause the video again and match the words to the pictures. Good? Okay, let's move on. Here's what makes football vocabulary so powerful for English learners: the idioms. These phrases come from football, but native speakers use them all the time in business, conversation, and life. Here are 6 football idioms. Number 1, keep your eye on the ball. Number 2, a whole new ball game. Number 3, move the goalposts. Number 4, on the back foot. Number 5, a level playing field. And number 6, kick something into touch. Do you know what they all mean? Let's go over them together. Number 1, keep your eye on the ball. In football, it's literal, but in English, it means stay focused, don't get distracted. For example, a lot is going on at work right now, but keep your eye on the ball. Number 2, a whole new ball game. When a situation changes completely. For instance, I understood basic grammar, but fluent conversation, that's a whole new ball game. Number 3, move the goalposts. When someone changes the rules or expectations midway through something. This is very useful in professional English. Here's an example. They moved the goalposts. We delivered everything they asked for, and now they want more. Number 4, on the back foot. to be in a defensive or disadvantaged position. Here's a sentence. After the first question, I was on the back foot for the whole interview. Number 5, a level playing field. Equal conditions for everyone. Listen to this sentence. We want every student to have a level playing field. Number 6, kick something into touch. This means to abandon or reject an idea. Here's an example sentence. The board kicked that proposal into touch. Touch means the out of bounds area on the side of the pitch. The good thing is, once you know where these idioms come from, you'll never forget them. Football gave the English language a whole vocabulary for competition, focus, and fair play. And that vocabulary travels everywhere. Now, let's put it all together. I'm going to read you a short match report. Listen for the vocabulary and idioms we've just learned. See how many you catch. You may pause the video and write them down. Listen as many times as you wish. Okay, here's the match report extract. Listen. After a tense first half, England was firmly on the back foot, 2 goals down, the crowd silent. But then came the moment that changed everything. A foul just inside the box. The referee pointed to the spot. Penalty. Up stepped the captain, cool as you like, and the net rippled. 1-2! England was back in it, and suddenly it was a whole new ball game. In stoppage time, the substitute who'd come on just minutes earlier fired the equalizer. The final whistle blew. Neither side had moved the goalposts. They'd earned their draw on a level playing field. Here are the words of the extract to help you. Pause the video and read it. Okay, now let me help you to break it down. On the back foot, we said it means disadvantaged. England was losing. The referee pointed to the spot. The spot is the penalty spot. A whole new ball game. What happened? A goal! The situation transformed. Moved the goalposts. Used here to say nobody cheated or changed the rules. Level playing field. Equal contest. Both teams had their chance. So you see, 1 short paragraph, 11 vocab words and idioms. That's the power of understanding the language of football. Now it's your turn, and this is my favorite part. Your challenge is to write a 3-sentence dream match report. You may even write in the comments below. It can be real or completely imaginary. Use at least 2 of the words or idioms from today. The pitch, stoppage time, on the back foot, a whole new ball game, whatever you like. The best ones might just make it into a future video if you do write in the comments. So, if this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps other learners find this channel. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep your eye on the ball. Bye.
Ayesha's English. Oh.